Who is that one person you're so madly in love with? That only person you desire? This is Peter Gracey, poet and author, and I'm going to read you this poem I wrote called My Desires. Sing a melody for me, my love, for your voice is like a canary. Stare me down with your smile, my love. Give me your sweet embrace, then dare me. You are beautiful, you are whole. You are my lady soul. I think of you as I dream. Sweltering hot fantasies make me steam, blowing off my desires like a feline in heat, thinking about every move between the comforter and the sheets. When the excitement is over, with grace we retire. For you are my life and my love. Only for you I reserve my desires.